Alright guys, so this is a 2000 DeVille North Star. It is at the Allentown Harry's View Pullet. Top is busted up, but you can see that inside is pretty good shape. The seats are gone, but everything here is intact. Wheels are gone. Front seats are still there. Oops. So the cars here are actually in decent shape. You can work in. They keep them pretty clean. It looks like they move out the ones that have been totally, I would say, totally rated. This car's in decent shape. Paint's a little worse for wear. Glove box is still there. Stereo's still there. Front seats are in pretty good shape. Got the screen as well. Just the top is totally busted. Lights are here. It's a decent car. Definitely a good donor car.